Hi, in this video, I'm going to be teaching you how you can become an influencer without any single followers. Yes, you start creating content for companies and they will pay you for it. In fact, if you stay to the end, there is a company that is currently paying 5,000 naira for every single video you submit. If you want to make money online as an influencer and you don't have any followers, but you have phone and you have internet connection, of course you have internet connection and that is why you're watching me right now, then you might want to watch till the end so that you can get all the juice in this video. And now, how do you become an influencer without followers? First thing first, what you need to understand is that companies are now looking for non-conventional ways to market their products without it actually looking like they're marketing their product. And that is why they started tilting to UGC, and UGC simply means user generated content. And let me just quickly show you guys what it means here so that you can perfectly understand from Google what UGC actually means. User generated content is a creative, brand specific social media content created by users for users that brands can display on their social profiles or use in social ad campaigns to connect with consumers in an authentic and genuine way. UGC takes the form of photos, videos, testimonials, reviews, and more. So you don't need anything fancy. Just take your phone, take your video. Hi guys, I just bought this from so and so company and it's amazing, it's nice, blah blah blah. Thank you. And that's the end. You make money just like that. So let me quickly show you guys how much people are making from UGC. So if you go to Fiverr and type in UGC, you see lots of people offering these services and a whole lot of them are making so much money from this particular idea. Now, if you scroll through, you will see a lot of people offering these services, right? You can see a lot of people offering these services, and if you look at it, they are all getting jobs. This one has 74 jobs. There's a lot of them, and the good thing is that it's on a high side, right? So one job that you do will give you a reasonable amount of money, but you need to do a couple of samples to be able to upload on your gig description so that people can actually have an idea of what you are going to offer them. So here is the one that we selected. It's the 15-second TikTok, $30. It will take 7 days to deliver. This one is standard, 30 seconds for $45 and 60 seconds for $55. Wow. So they are making so much money. I can see 5 orders in queue and 419 people already saved this gig so that they can always come back to them. And here you see 5 orders in queue and 74 orders already. And let's just have an average of maybe $40 calculation. Let's calculate with $40 and see how much this person has made. $40 is just in between the basic and the premium, right? Because not everybody will order the basic, not everybody will order the premium. So let's just do it $40 and multiply it by 74, leaving out the 5 orders in queue, although it has been paid for, but it's totally fine. So this guy has made $2,960 alone, and now it's new in this part of the world. So it's something that's, if you start offering that service now, you're going to make so much money from big brands in Africa. So go ahead and create a gig on Fiverr. Not just Fiverr, you can also create gigs on other platforms like SEO Clark, Upwork, SproutGig, and all the rest of them. Just go ahead and create a gig. This is a very unique gig that companies are willing to pay money for you to do this thing for them. And remember, you don't need to have any single followers to do this. But first thing first, you need to create samples that people are going to look at so that they can have an idea of what they are going to get from you. So having said that, let's talk about the company that is going to pay you 5,000 naira for UGC. All you have to do is to click the link in the description so that you can fill out the form. Carefully fill out the form, but I will always suggest that before you make a sample video, please simply go on Fiverr and type UGC so that you can see samples, play the videos, see samples of the ones that people have made in the past and have an idea, a perfect idea of what the company expects from you, and the company will reach out to you and hire you. It's not just one company, there are plenty of companies that are willing to hire you here in Africa. So please just go ahead and get started so that you can start making money now. But before you do that, go ahead and smash the like button.
Make sure to smash that like button.
YouTube thinks this video will be good for you, so go ahead and watch it now.